So for right now, we are on episode number 1 of the Driven Gears Auto Show, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back right now to Driven Gears Automotive. So this is our first ever podcast here on the Auto Show. I do want to take this Auto Show podcast to another level, trying to make this the first one. I do want to bring in special guests, all that stuff on the car talks and all that good stuff. One day we'll do that. Probably this summer we might do something like that. We'll continue on with the podcast because I have more freedom and I have more, more time to do podcasts and more actual sit down videos and all that stuff. But welcome to the first official episode of the Driven Gears Auto Show. My name is Chris and welcome to Driven Gears Automotive. So there's a lot of things we want to talk about. We have Subaru coming out with their new model. So let's just start with the good news. So the good news is the 2024 Subaru Crosstrek Wilderness, this top safety, tech and safety features off-road specs starting at MSRPs for the new 2024 Subaru Crosstrek Wilderness. This vehicle has been unveiled earlier this month in April to unveil something we've all been waiting for in the Wilderness family. We've always say, well, we have the Forester and we have the Outback. Well, what are we going to bring for the third model for the Wilderness brand? Well, for our surprise, we used to get something like this, but now we actually got something like that, the Subaru Crosstrek Wilderness. And people had mixed reactions with the actual 2024 model with the base standard, saying it looks a little ugly in my case because of the way the front starts and the way that the little cladding kind of pops out. People had mixed reactions to the vehicle, but Subaru took it much better by adding the Wilderness trim and making it much better for the Wilderness trim. So the Wilderness trim has a lot of cladding that protects the paint from falling debris, branches, and all this stuff when you're going off-roading. These vehicles are very capable for harsh off-roading trails and all that stuff, rock climbing and all that good stuff because of the Geolander off-roading tires that they come with. With the tow hooks, the gold tow hooks, you also get those with the Wilderness models. Just when you get stuck in snow. Also, they do have the upgraded X mode that can help you grip along with the snow and mud. They just have a really good upgrade with the X mode and the snow and mud features. The all-wheel drive system, all Subarus are capable with the all-wheel drive system, except for their little race cars. The BRZs are the rear-wheel drive models, but with these models of the all-wheel drive system, well, taking much more further by taking out on harsh off-roading trails, what none of these base models can do. That's why Subaru has been known for the Wilderness models, and that's why they become so popular. I have a Subaru Outback Wilderness myself in an ice silver metallic. And with the Wilderness models with the Crosstrek, you're getting different colors too. You get the ice silver metallic. You have, I think they're coming out with the gray metallic. You have the green. You have a little bit of the reds. You have blue. The Geyser blue, like it always comes with. I think people love the Geyser blue much better because it's darker. It's better on those. But people like the ice silver metallic. They have the magnetite gray models. I do personally love the ice silver and the magnetite gray features on the Wilderness trims. I've seen the actual forest green one, which I'm not a fan of green cars, the foresty green colors. It's just my personal take on that. But there's a lot of color options on the color palette for also the upgraded color palette. You're still getting the gold stitching around the seats and the steering wheel. You're still getting all that with an all black interior. And some of these vehicles, you can customize the interior with the interior colors, but most of these are black interiors with the gold stitching. Actually, the base models, you can probably upgrade with the new Crosstrek that just came out. They also do have it with the other models where you can customize the color. You can upgrade the color of the interior. But personally, for my taste, I'm more of a fan of the all black interior with just any color that kind of fits my personality. I do like dark colors on cars because they stand out more, and bright colors I'm not a fan of. but I do like more of the darker colors, like the magnesite gray to black. But I do like the ice silver. I do like the white vehicles. I do love all that good stuff. Personally, it's just my opinion what colors I do like in the palette. But personally, that's what my take is. You get an all black interior. You pick your own color palette for the outside exterior. The starting prices for the 2024 Crosstrek starts at $31,200, yeah, 31,000, almost $32,000. So about $32,952 on the MSRP value. For the standard vehicle for the safety, you get the upgraded safety features with lane departure, with the little the road sensors and all that good stuff. You have upgrades of the Starlink. You have more tech safety. You have all that good stuff when you're off-roading or just taking it on the road. That's what they have. They have a lot of these upgraded features that one of these models don't have. So, yeah, that's what they're putting for newer models nowadays. Better safety and more tech and some other good stuff. Yeah, personally, I do love the vehicle. It's a major upgrade from the actual base model. So for the engine of the 2024 Subaru Crosstrek, you are getting the 2.5 liter naturally aspirated boxer engine with the turbochargers. Now, personally, I'm not a fan with turbocharge on boxer engines because I see people who always get like an STI or whatever it is, and they put a turbocharger to get more horsepower, and then they just beat the crap out of it and just rev it. They race it. And all of a sudden, that turbocharges the head gasket and blows it. And that's why I'm not a fan of it, because turbochargers on a regular vehicle as well, if it's improperly torqued, it can wear out the engine much faster because it has so much energy and so much power into the engine, and turbocharges the head gasket. Why some of these vehicles having blown head gasket problems, not just Subaru. People always say, well, the boxer engines always have blown head gasket issues. Well, think about how many cars that have the boxer engine. So, but the Porsche still has a boxer engine to this day. From 1963 to the present, they still have the boxer engine design, but this is an air-cooled boxer engine. The Subarus always had the water-cooled boxer engines. The Volkswagen Beetle used to have the air-cooled, but they don't use the boxer engine design anymore. But Porsche still does the boxer engine design. Subaru still does, and they're more famous for the boxer engine design. Also, they are famous for the upgraded all-wheel drive system. But this one, with the base models, you either get the 2-liter naturally aspirated boxer engine, or the limited, or you get the sports model with the premium for the 2.5-liter boxer 4 engine. With the limited versus in the base model, you are getting the 2-liter naturally aspirated. But with the wilderness trim for more upgrade, with the higher torque, much better horsepower, because people complain about the Crosstreks being underpowered. They only get 152 horsepower on the base models. They get the 0 to 60 in about 10 seconds. But with this, the 2.5-liter Boxer 4 engine with the 180 horsepower still kind of does in that range of 0 to 60 about 7.5 seconds. Ground clearance wise, you're getting the base model from about 9.5 inches of ground clearance itself, instead of the regular base models being about 7.5 to about 8 inches of ground clearance. But this Wilderness gets 9.5 inches of ground clearance on that. Also, with the ground clearance, I know it's more air resistance and it gets worse gas mileage if it's lifted, but this is kind of rated about 24, 26 mpg, so 24 city, 26 highway, because highway driving is equivalent to 10% city driving. So about 24, 26, I'm estimating. Sorry. But yeah, that's what you're getting for the new Crosstrek Wilderness. Yeah, so again, the starting price is about $32,000. Less than that, about $31,952 on the MRCP value. Jesus Christ, sorry. But yeah, Also, it does rival the off-roading vehicles like the Jeeps, Tundras, um, the Honda CR-Vs, all the good stuff. And they're on battle with that, with the wilderness trim. Yeah, I mean the wilderness are really fun, capable vehicles. I mean, if you see videos of wildernesses going against Jeeps or anything, I've seen them. They're more powerful than the Jeeps because they can handle much better. They have proper torque. They can do the job just fine. Even with deep water too. It can go through deep water with no hesitation or anything. You just push a button that says deep water or snow or mud and it just glides right through it without any problems. It just goes through ease. Almost like you're going through on a boat, pretty much. But yeah, that's what you're getting for the new Crosstrek Wilderness. Something we've all been waiting for. So thank you guys so much for watching. But yeah, we're on the goal to 1,000 subscribers right now here on Driven Gears Auto Show. Yeah, so make sure you guys hit this like and subscribe button. If you guys are brand new to the channel, we're on the goal to 1,000 subscribers. We are currently sitting at 722 subscribers right now. We are so close to 1,000, which is very, very surprising. I love you guys so much. All you guys for watching the first episode of the Driven Gears Automotive Podcast. Let me know what you guys think about the brand new 2024 Subaru Crosstrek Wilderness. Let me know what you guys don't like or what you guys like about the new Wilderness trim. Also, subscribe for more brand new videos coming up very soon. I'll be hopefully making more videos during the summer when I get more freedom, more energy, and all the good stuff. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want more podcasts, just me fixing vehicles or teaching you guys how to do oil changes, all that good stuff. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys like by subscribing, turning your bell notifications on, and let me know in the comments what you guys like, what you guys don't like, or let me know some good ideas for car videos down in the description down below of the comments down below. See ya.